Your heart pounds during a thriller. One song flips your entire mood. You think you're in control? Nope. This isn't magic. It's a calculated attack on your emotions. Your brain is being hacked through art. And today we're exposing exactly how they pull the strings. The gut punch feelings you get from art aren't an accident. It's neuroaesthetics, the science of how brains create and consume beauty. Now, for decades, artists, advertisers, and algorithms have weaponized its principles with hyper-specific colors, sounds, and stories. They trigger predictable emotional explosions in your brain, from Hollywood blockbusters to that ad you just scrolled past. Now enter the advertising battlefield. Their most powerful weapon isn't the product, it's your emotions. An analysis shows emotional ads perform twice as well as fact-based ones. Ads triggering strong feelings deliver a 23% sales surge. They program links. Product to happiness. Product to desire. Product to nostalgia. Your brain gets hardwired to feel loyalty for a logo, forging a bond you're not even aware exists. Now let's talk about that device in your hand. Social media isn't just a feed, it's a relentless fire hose of curated art. Every filtered photo and crafted post hijacks your emotions, and the science behind its damage is called social comparison theory. Our brains are wired to measure our own worth against others. On Instagram, you're drowning in highlight reels that trigger upward social comparison to those who appear happier and more successful. And that activates social pain circuits, sparking real anxiety and inadequacy. Think a t-shirt's color can't touch you? Well, this is color psychology at work. Studies prove colors create measurable effects. Red ramps heart rate and appetite, while blue calms you and drops blood pressure. This isn't feeling, it's biology. Your eyes transmit light wavelengths as signals to your brain, which stimulates or suppresses your nervous system. Brands don't pick colors randomly, they engineer reactions. Ever cried at a movie? That's a powerful neurological takeover. Films hijack our empathy through mirror neurons, specialized cells that fire when we act and when we watch others act. When a character sobs or explodes with joy on screen, your mirror neurons simulate that exact sadness or elation in your own brain. You're not just watching their pain, you're feeling a version of it, making you a prisoner to the story. Now, music might be the most powerful emotional weapon of all. Ever gotten chills from a song? That's frisson, your brain's reward system flooding with dopamine, the same pleasure chemical behind food and money. And research shows it lights up the nucleus accumbens. But here's the wild part. You get two dopamine waves. First, during tense anticipation before your favorite drop, then exploding at the emotional peak. Your brain constantly predicts patterns, but music delays the expected payoff, then delivers it perfectly. Timing is emotion's oldest weapon. You think you ignore the thousands of billboards you pass daily. Well, your subconscious brain doesn't. This works through the mere exposure effect. We prefer things simply because they're familiar. Now, even without conscious attention, your brain catalogs every logo. Repeated passive exposure builds unconscious trust, making you far more likely to choose that brand later, completely unaware you were programmed. The grocery store is the final battlefield, a war for your wallet. That bright red on soda cans, it triggers excitement and hunger. The calming green on healthy snacks signals freshness and nature instantly, even if the ingredients are junk. Your brain processes these color cues in milliseconds, controlling product perception before you read nutrition labels or think rationally. Art, design, music, media, all engineered, all hitting your nervous system before conscious thought. But now, you see the strings. You are the one who pulls them next. Mind blown like we are? Subscribe.